How to prevent a cat from scratching at baseboards or molding. Cats are known for their independent and curious nature, but sometimes their natural behaviors can lead to destructive habits. One common issue that many cat owners face is their feline friends scratching at baseboards or molding. Not only can this cause damage to your home, but it can also be frustrating and difficult to stop. However, with a few techniques and strategies, you can prevent your cat from scratching at your precious baseboards or molding. In this video, we will discuss some effective methods to address this behavior and ensure a harmonious coexistence between you and your furry friend. 1. Provide appropriate scratching alternatives. Cats scratch not only to exercise their muscles and remove the outer layer of their nails, but also to mark their territory. By providing your cat with appropriate scratching alternatives, you can redirect their attention away from your baseboards or molding. Invest in a sturdy and tall scratching post or a cat tree where your furry friend can stretch and scratch to their heart's content. It's essential to choose a scratching post made of sisal, as cats are attracted to the texture. Place the post near the area where your cat often scratches to encourage them to use it instead. 2. Use deterrents. Using deterrents can be an effective way to discourage your cat from scratching at baseboards or molding. Cats dislike certain smells and textures, which can be utilized to protect your furniture. Spray a cat-safe deterrent, such as citrus or bitter apple, on the baseboards or molding to make it undesirable for your cat. Alternatively, attach double-sided tape to the edges of the baseboards or molding. Cats dislike the sticky sensation and will avoid scratching them. However, it's important to ensure that the deterrents you use are safe for cats and will not cause any harm to them. 3. Trim your cat's nails regularly. Regularly trimming your cat's nails can significantly reduce their scratching habits and minimize the damage caused to your baseboards or molding. Invest in a pair of cat nail clippers and familiarize yourself with the proper technique to trim your cat's nails safely. Start by gently restraining your cat and rewarding them with treats or praise during the process to make it a positive experience. It's important not to cut too close to the quick, as it can cause pain and bleeding. If you're unsure, consult a veterinarian or a professional groomer for guidance. 4. Create a distraction. When you notice your cat starting to scratch at baseboards or molding, it's essential to redirect their attention to something else. Keeping interactive toys, such as puzzle feeders or wand toys, readily available can help divert their focus to a more appropriate activity. Engaging in regular play sessions with your cat can also burn off excess energy and reduce the urge to scratch. Consider using interactive toys that imitate the scratching motion to simulate the sensation without damaging your baseboards or molding. Remember to praise and reward your cat whenever they choose to play with their toys instead of scratching inappropriate surfaces. 5. Utilize positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is an effective training technique that can be applied to prevent your cat from scratching at baseboards or molding. Whenever you catch your cat using the scratching post or engaging in an appropriate scratching activity, lavish them with praise and treats. Positive reinforcement will help your cat associate the desired behavior with rewards, making them more likely to repeat it. Conversely, avoid punishing or scolding your cat when they scratch inappropriately, as it can create fear or anxiety and worsen the problem. 6. Cover the baseboards or molding. If all else fails, consider covering the baseboards or molding with a temporary protective layer such as cardboard or plexiglass. This physical barrier can prevent your cat from accessing the surface and discourage scratching. However, it's essential to ensure that the covering is secure and won't present any potential choking or safety hazards for your cat. Remember that this is a temporary solution and should be used as a last resort if all other methods have proven ineffective. In conclusion, preventing your cat from scratching at baseboards or molding requires a combination of providing appropriate alternatives, using deterrents, trimming their nails, creating distractions, utilizing positive reinforcement, and, if necessary, covering the surfaces. It's important to be patient and consistent with your training efforts and understand that it may take time for your cat to change their behavior. With persistence and a proactive approach, you can successfully redirect your cat's scratching instincts and maintain a harmonious living environment for both you and your feline companion.